stop and think, why spend too much time?
Good morning. So I've got my coffee. I'm just doing some work in my office right now. I thought I would just start filming because I've been MIA all week. This was really a week of thinking. So I usually like to take a little bit of time off when I have a lot of like production work and products that I'm working on. So as I said in my last, I think, few videos, I've been working on so many things at once. But I'm really excited because I basically got all the new samples this week, made the final decisions, and like a lot of things are finishing up right now. And I know this is repetitive, I just keep saying this, but I promise we are getting really close and I'm really excited. And I feel like sometimes you have to really dedicate that time to working on one thing when you have a business because there's so many little things. So I was like, okay, gonna, take a few days off social. And sometimes I really do need that, like for my mindset. Like sometimes you have to recharge if you're always on social media, on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, like it can get really overwhelming. So this week I was just like focusing on a lot of like office and behind the scenes work. So that's kind of where I was. But I'm having my second cup of coffee. I woke up really early this morning. I washed my hair yesterday, so I just have it in like a little bun. And I've been going in with that oil that I was saying I've been using, which has been working really well for my hair. I love like the lightweight texture to it. And like I said, I'm going to be using it for a while and I'll let you guys know how it is. And I was just writing in my day planner, which I just found this one at HomeSense. So it's a really cute planner by, I think it's Hello Planner. Yeah, Hello Planner? Or the Happy Planner, sorry, not Hello Planner. Happy Planner. So I really like that. I've been using that. I also have my Louis Vuitton one, but I haven't even used it yet. But yeah, the girls are at school right now and I just thought it'd be such a nice time to film. I have some new things around the house too that I just bought. Some plants, some new vases, some stuff for the kitchen. So I thought I'd kind of show you guys what I have. And I think since the last time I've been on here, I have hauled a few more things like decor wise. So I'll just find everything that I got. I kind of go like, I don't know, if I don't plan on filming a big haul, I'll just show you the little things that I've gotten, like new things in my house, because I know people love hauls, but I haven't picked up like a massive haul, just like little things here and there. I went shopping to HomeSense with a few friends on the weekend. One of my girlfriends bought a new house, so she was like house shopping and I found some nice things. So yeah, anyways, gonna get back to my coffee and I am gonna get ready soon. My lips are really dry right now, but yeah, I need to do my skincare and makeup. So I thought I could do that with you guys. I found this little plant at HomeSense, which was really cute. I always love when it has the little protectors at the bottom so I don't have to put them on because you don't want them to scratch your countertops. But I just thought this would be nice, a little bit of greenery in my office. And then you guys already know I have like this big vase, so I actually picked up the same one. Now I don't like these, hold on, these fake plants I got for it. I'm not really liking these in here, so I think I'm gonna put these in something else. They're just like dried artificial plants, but yeah, I think I'm gonna get something else for this, but I do love the vase. The vase is beautiful. And then over here we have a light. I got that at HomeSense. It's actually for our outside space. And I just thought it'd be really nice to have. And then over here, I actually bought Ancestry DNAs for Ryan and me to take. I just got them off Amazon. My mom actually did one, and it was very like surprising to see her results. She's actually, I'm very Irish, which I didn't know. It was like 40-something% Irish. But I'm excited to see mine because you guys know I'm half Chinese, so I feel like there's just gonna be a bunch of stuff on there. And I found these bins at HomeSense, which these are great to use for like the girls' shoes, but I also thought these would make for really good product containers to put inside my, what's it called? To put inside my cabinets that I have like all my stock in the back. So my brush sets will fit nicely in here. Okay, the lid does not want to go on. So I got this, and it came in a set of 2. I was just filming some videos with my makeup case. But yeah, a set of 2 right there. And I also found like a little candle to also go on our little table outside in the front. Here we go. Okay, and you can put them like over top of each other. I might go back and get 2 more actually. I really like these. The other thing I found, which I kind of have to clean up my office because my desk always gets so bombarded with everything. I have my Chloe perfume, which that's the one Ryan got me. I love it. I just leave it in my office. I got this really beautiful tray. It's actually quite heavy. It reminds me of like rose quartz, but I thought this would be a really nice tray to have in my office. So yeah, I just have to figure out how to decorate it, but it was pretty inexpensive. I think it was like $20, which is pretty good price because it's quite luxe. So yeah, I have that, and I probably am gonna organize my office a little later today because it's a mess. I also found this when I went to HomeSense, which I thought was really cute. It's got like hair ties in here. And I loved the container. It goes with this that I have, my bath salts, my little bath bombs, which I don't know, I love the look of these. So I'm gonna do my skincare. I've been going in, as you guys know, with my Tatcha Deep Cleanse. It's like my all-time favorite cleanser because I have very like oily skin. So it exfoliates the skin, and then I've been going in with this new Strawberry Smooth serum, and I've been going in with this skin brightening cream. So that's kind of been my skincare routine. And then I have my eye cream, and where is my eye cream? And my little eye serum pen, which has a nice cooling effect on the eyes. So I really have been doing a lot of skincare because it's important, and I love skincare. Just filming a little reel before I forget, and I forgot I have to go to Safeway today too because it's grocery day. I don't know if I'm gonna have time to film that, but I do have to get groceries too. So I thought I would do a little reel on like summer products, one of my favorite things, the makeup case, and since I'm showing this, I thought I'd do a giveaway. If you guys want to win the pink makeup case and also the rose quartz brush set, this one right here, all you guys have to do is comment down below what you're most excited for this summer or what you're up to this summer, and I will choose the winner in the next video. I love doing these though spontaneously because I know a lot of you guys enter and it shows that you guys actually watch my videos, so that I would do that. And the other thing I wanted to get, I haven't gotten a Venus et Fleur in so long. I might get another set of dried florals. I have like a ton of their florals, like another one right there, but I've had this one for years, so I was thinking of getting like a new style of their florals. So yeah, I wish I had a discount code, but I don't. The other thing I've been wearing a lot of is this Louis Vuitton bracelet I bought years ago. It's just so pretty, and I forgot that it was in my little jewelry case. So just at my friend's birthday, we actually went to 2 birthdays on the weekend. That's also why I was really tired. One of Ryan's friends, we went golfing, and then a kid's birthday party that we went to as well at Chuck E. Cheese. So I was really tired. But this bracelet's so cute for summertime. I really love it. And then this is the other Louis Vuitton one that I bought for my birthday, which just reminds me of the girls. So I have that. And then I have my big hoops, which I haven't really worn these in a long time. But yeah, I tend to move things around when I'm doing reels and make a mess. But yeah, I definitely want to get some new things for my island here. It's just, yeah. Oh, the other thing I got too right here, you guys, is this new basket. It just became my little laundry bin over the weekend. It's so cute. I picked it up from HomeSense. I just really like the design on it. I like the size of it too because I was looking for like a nice small one. And then I got these really, really cute outfits. I have some pictures to attach here. And this is from a Vancouver company. The pants are so cute, and it's called Bella Vie Tots. Where is it? We took the cutest little photo. So they came with shorts and then pants as well. Like, look how cute these are. And the quality is so nice. I'll have to show you guys the rest of this stuff. I think I'm washing the other dresses that the girls already put on because they're obsessed with dresses, but I definitely have to do a lot of laundry today too. And I want to find more pants like this because these are like my comfy pants and I only have 2 pairs of these from Dynamite. But I want to get some more like jogging style pants and workout clothes. The other thing I thought I'd quickly show you guys, I got this little pool, I think from Winners. But I thought it'd be so nice for the summertime, just something small. You could even like put drinks in here if you were throwing a party. I just liked the design on it, but I thought that'd be really cute for me and the girls. The other thing I need to finish is some laundry because this laundry room gets pretty insane. But these are the cute little dresses that I wanted to quickly show you that Bella V also sent. I'll leave their handle down below. Such nice quality though, and I really think they have such cute outfits and they're made in Canada. So the girls put them on like right when we got the package in. The other thing I have here that I have to wash, I got these a while ago, but just like some sweatpants from Winners. I love when they come in sets of 2 because then I don't have, or it's easier because I get stuff on sale, and I have something for both the girls. What is that? And it came with some scrunchies too, like for 16 bucks, that's not bad at all. So yeah, we got lots of like summer dresses for them and like little sweaters that I've shown. I really like these. They wear these all the time. This was from Carter's. It was like a little set that came with shorts. Ooh, got them these too. These are really cute.
Then my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody.
You guys, I just got my new samples. This is for my next launch. Sorry. Oh, it is like, I can't tell you when you see it in person, like when it's finally finished and like you're ready to go, and like it's just such a rewarding feeling because it takes so many months to finalize one product and to get it finished. Like there's just so much to it, and I just feel so happy and relieved that we are almost here for this summer launch, because obviously I haven't launched anything in a while, but it's because I've been working on over 10 projects, well over 10 new products all at once. And because I was finalizing everything at once, I was like, you know what, for the next month or 2, let's just kill it. Let's just get this done so that I can actually do a lot more content throughout like the summer months and into the fall season. So I just wanted to plan it that way, or else if I'm trying to do too much at once, then I don't end up finishing something, or it takes much longer to launch something. So I just wanted to really concentrate on launches, and I'm so happy. Okay. I'm not sure if, I think this week I can definitely show some sneak peeks. I have PR going out this week to PR girls, so I'm really, really excited. My skin's finally clearing up after I had my period. Oh, finally. Okay, I'm gonna finish getting ready and then I will pop back on here. Thought I'd mention too, since I have you guys up here with me before I go downstairs, Tom Ford Soleil Blanc and this are like my 2 must-have summer products. This is the Copacabana Bronze Glow Oil. It looks quite dark, but when you put it on, it just gives your skin like a really nice glow. If you don't like anything too illuminating, then I wouldn't say this. I would probably go with the Tom Ford. This is just such a nice summer scent as well. I really like it. It smells like coconut and summer. And yeah, so I'm gonna get ready. Okay, I just finished getting ready. I actually just did a reel, and this is for my new launch. That's why I'm dressed like this. Like this is what I'm doing right now for a tripod. I really, really need to get something besides my ottoman. Okay, so I've got a little sneak peek right here. I'm covering the name of this, but I'm really excited, you guys. So this is the next product launch, and I can't wait. It's gonna be launching in June. Just a little sneak peek, and this is clearly something super different than what I've ever done with my brand. So like, look at that emboss. So pretty. Know that I got to share a little sneak peek. I also did a reel today, so that's probably gonna go up on Instagram. Just wanted to show you guys what I have coming for June, and there are a few more things I actually have, or I think UPS is about to be here because I have another shipment coming in, and I have to go to UPS, drop something off for my photographer. And then yeah, we'll be cooking and doing dinner, and it was just nice though to get back into like a morning routine and kind of share with you guys what I do. I do coffee every morning, and of course I kind of go into my office and then don't come out for a while. So it's the boring stuff, but it's nice to kind of share that with you guys sometimes, and I guess what I'm up to when I'm not like on here. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and of course if you haven't entered that giveaway, make sure you guys just leave a comment down below, and then I always announce the winner in the next video. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog, and of course I will see you guys in my next video.